welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since I've done any videos or posted anything or I've done anything on the channel. I've had my reasons. I've had a few things come up, some personal stuff, you know, and just things that go on in life. Now I will be recording a bunch of content and releasing it at different times as I start to finish off and put things back together on my 87 Comanche Eleanor. She's been gone for, well, she was gone for 9 months. We're about a year after what happened. If you've been following my social media on Instagram, you'll see that her roof had actually been crushed. And yeah, I thought she wasn't repairable. So she spent some time at a body shop, and while I was at it, I went ahead and got all the paint and body work done, got her all cleaned up, and well, a lot of stuff has changed. So by the time this video comes out, the Jeep's not going to look the same. To bring it up to speed to a current point in time, that'll be a couple months down the road. You'll see all the videos as they post for all the different changes and everything that's been going on and all the stuff that I did do for her. So stick around. Sorry I haven't been around. I just, life happened. I don't know how else to put it. Okay? But I've got a lot of content coming for the channel. A lot of stuff for Eleanor. As you can tell if you look, well, there is one vehicle missing. That's right. Sold to 54. I lost interest in the project. I had to say goodbye to her. My best friend of 39 years picked her up. He remembers that Jeep when it used to run and when we used to go out wheeling, so he's got her now. He's going to finish her off. He's got some changes, some stuff he's going to be doing to it. So the one Jeep we did get back is red, which I was kind of shocked to get her back, but well, now she'll be a part of the channel, and we got some stuff coming for her. So things will be different, things will change. And for those of you that have been sticking around with the channel and still watching my videos and everything else, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everything, and let's get some stuff done.